Hello all, welcome to my channel. My name's Larry G Barbecue, and on today's episode of How To, I'm going to show different options on dual cooking system on Kamado Grills. On this specific one, Kamado BONO, and there's going to be more options as well. So tune in, let's jump into this. So this is a dual cooking system for Kamado BONO. These are compatible for the other grills as well. If you want one, have a look at your sizes. I'll put the link down below where you can get that from. Now let's jump into the all the options that we can get out of it. So in that dual cooking system, you got a double tier cooking rack. So the most common option is grilling. So your grill's on top, off you go, start grilling. You can lower your grills as well, or keep one higher, so that way you get in more heat, less heat. Second option is also more for grilling, but for reverse searing. So with the deflector one side, you can do the dual cooking, indirect and direct cooking, like that. You can also bring the deflector higher by placing a pot holder, just like that. Or if you're searing your steak, if you're doing a reverse sear, keep one side down for the very close direct heat, and when you finish searing, just place it there to get indirect finish on your steak. Or you can sear the steaks, cook some other stuff that needs to be finished off. So now indirect cooking, smoking, low and slow. Place your deflectors at the lower position. This way you can smoke meat, cook it as low as 80 degrees to 150 degrees meat, and this way you can cook for hours. Also, what I like to do with the pot holder, I'd like to place my drip pan so it's not touching the deflectors, and that way you're collecting all your drippings, and the drippings not going directly on the deflectors. So for the higher temperature indirect cooking, you would need to place the rack first, then place your deflectors like that, just go like that. And this way you can cook meat indirect, anything above 150 degrees to 400 degrees and so on. So while we've got this set up, higher level deflectors, what we can do, you can use this method with the baking stone to cook some cakes, bakery and something like that, and many more other things that you want to cook on the pizza stone, baking stone. Right, so you've decided you want to cook some pizza. Put the grills on, put the deflectors on, put the pot rack on, and put the pizza stone on top. That way you're creating a pizza cooking method on a Kamado BONO grill, so that way you can go as high as possible with the temperatures, cook your pizzas in 2-3 minutes, and that's that. So now you have some pots, cast iron pots, casserole pots. You put your pot holder on and then place your pot directly on it, and that way you're cooking it like that with a pot holder. Or what you can do is lower, if you want more heat, do the same thing, lower it down and get more heat out of it. Also, if you're pot cooking, set the deflectors at lower, place the pot holder on, put the pot on, that way you're stewing anything that's in that pot is in direct heat. Also, this works for the Kazans. I've got a 12-litre Kazan, it's a pretty heavy thing. I've cooked many dishes on this. So that's the main things you got out of the dual system. The one comes in. So now for the extra parts, that if you want, say you're cooking something, you need more room, get yourself a grill expander, which is a great option for more room on your grill. Also for a little extra, you can get yourself a flat griddle like this one. While you're cooking some bacon, cooking some stuff, you can fry whatever you want down there, pieces of bread and stuff like that. So works great. So that's it on today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more how-to videos like that. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.